Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card. The Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card is a premium travel rewards credit card aimed at frequent travelers and those who value travel benefits. Key features include travel insurance, airport lounge access, and rewards points redeemable for travel. Their website provides details on the specific benefits and associated fees. The card boasts a competitive rewards program, although the exact value depends on spending habits. Scotiabank highlights the ease of application and the comprehensive travel insurance coverage as key selling points. No annual fee information is explicitly stated, suggesting this is a variable depending on the specific offer. Availability is nationwide in Canada. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card. I applied online, and the process was surprisingly smooth. The application was straightforward and approval came within a few days. The card arrived quickly, and I was able to start using it immediately. Navigating the online portal to track points and manage my account was intuitive and user-friendly. I used the card for several flights and hotel bookings, and the points accumulated steadily. I was particularly impressed by the airport lounge access. It made navigating busy airports so much easier. The travel insurance provided peace of mind knowing I was covered in case of unforeseen circumstances. One minor drawback was the foreign transaction fee, which wasn't clearly highlighted upfront, but easily found on their website. I had a quick question about redeeming points for a specific flight, and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email, resolving the issue efficiently. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive travel insurance package. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card. It's a valuable tool for frequent travelers who prioritize travel benefits and rewards. That's my overview of the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.